Namashivaya children, welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn a new chapter in grammar, that is adjectives. You already know adjectives are describing words, but let's know the degrees of adjectives. Okay, you can see some words here: small, sad, weak, ugly, windy, broken, calm, rainy, clear. These are all adjectives. Come, let's learn something more about adjectives. What is adjective? An adjective gives more information about a noun or pronoun by answering one of these questions. An adjective gives more information about a noun or pronoun by answering one of these questions. What are the questions? What kind? What kind may be blue card or long rope or a tall person or a big house. It describes the kind. Then which one? Maybe this town, last week, the second day, the other woman, and how many? Maybe 1 second, 3 boys, few cars, and several people. An adjective gives more information about a noun or pronoun by answering one of these questions. Let's learn more about this. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Understood, children? I think now you have understood. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Look at this example. Jane is a clever girl. Jane is the name of a girl. Jane is a clever girl. Clever girl. Clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. Is it not, children? Clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. Let's learn the degrees of comparison. Adjective degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees, that is positive, comparative and superlative. For example, positive adjective means Priya is as tall as the bookshelf. Tall is in positive degree. Then, my dog is faster than my cat. Faster is comparative degree. Aunt Janet is the oldest. Oldest is in superlative degree. Come, let's learn what is positive, what is comparative, and what is superlative degree. There are 3 kinds of degree: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. What is positive degree? When we speak about only one person or thing and the adjective is in its base or original form and there is no comparison, it is called positive degree. Here, children, in the positive degree, there is no comparison. It will be in the base form or in the original form. So, there is no comparison at all. So, when there is no comparison, it is called positive degree. For example, tall, big, fat, thin. These are all the examples for positive degree. Okay, let's learn what is comparative degree. Two people, things or places are being compared with one adjective or adverb to show that one has more quality or quantity of the adjective or adverb than the other. The adjective or adverb takes are or er to its positive form and is said to be in comparative form. The conjunction than is used to connect the two clauses. Comparative means we are comparing two people or two things or two places. Okay, we add or er to the positive adjective. And we also use the conjunction than to connect the two clauses. Okay, look at this example. A horse can run faster than a dog. Here we are comparing horse and dog. So there are two animals we are comparing with. Okay. Then a horse can run faster than a dog. Faster. Fast is in positive degree. We have added er to make it comparative because we are comparing two animals here. And we also use the conjunction than to connect the two clauses. Understood, children? A horse can run faster than a dog. So when we are comparing two things or people or places, we use comparative degree. So we add RRER to the positive form, and we also use the conjunction than to connect the two clauses. Understood, children? Then let's learn what is superlative degree. The superlative degree of an adjective is used to compare more than two persons or things. It refers to the highest degree of comparison. Look at this example, children. In the comparative adjective, we had only two animals. We used comparative because we were comparing horse and dog. Only two animals. Here you can see here there are three. Understood, children? So superlative degree of an adjective is used to compare more than two persons or things. It refers to the highest degree of comparison. So Ajay is the tallest of the three boys. How many boys are there here? Three boys. We are comparing with three boys. So who is the tallest boy in the three? Yes, Ajay is the tallest. We have added est to the positive form of the adjective because it is in superlative degree. Ajay is the tallest of the three boys. See here. Look at this example. You will understand clearly. Positive, big, comparative, bigger. We are added er. So we have doubled the consonant in the rule. I'll tell you. This is in superlative, biggest, big, bigger, biggest. Big, positive, bigger, comparative, biggest, superlative. So adjectives of one syllable. Adjectives of one syllable add er and est. Adjectives ending on e just add or st. Some adjectives double the final consonant. So in the bigger, the final consonant is doubled. Big, bigger, big, big, bigger, bigger, biggest, biggest. Okay. Then small here, look at these examples. Small, smaller, smallest. Warm, warmer, warmest. For comparative, we are adding er. For superlative, we are adding est. And here, old, older, oldest. Nice, nicer, nicest. See, for big, we have doubled the consonant. Is it not, children? Big, bigger, biggest. Look at this example. Type 1. There are 6 types of rules for comparison of adjectives. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. We are adding only er and est. And double the consonant and add er and est. Here for this we are doubling the last consonant and adding er and est. Hot, hotter, hottest. Large, larger, largest. The type 3, drop the silent letter E, then add er and est. Then happier, Y changes to I. We are going to add happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy, happier, H-A-P-P-I-E-R, happier. Y changes to I. I-E, we are going to add I-E-R. Then for the superlative, we are adding est. happy, happier, happiest. Happy, happy, happier, happier, happiest, happiest. Then we are type 5, we are going to add more or most before the word. Bitter, more bitter, most bitter. For comparative, we are going to add more. For superlative, we are going to add most. Okay. Then irregular forms of adjectives are good. We are not going to add er or est or more or most. We are the entire word is different. Good, better is comparative, and best is the superlative. For bad, worse, worst. These are called irregular, using different words. Then I have given many examples for adjectives. Then the comparative and superlative. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Confused, more confused, the most confused. Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult. Dirty, dirtier, the dirtiest. Fascinating, more fascinating, the most fascinating. Famous, more famous, the most famous. Far, for the FAR also correct and FUR also correct. Okay, the farthest, FAR is also correct, or you can write FUR, THEST, furthest, farthest. Fast, faster, the fastest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Here you are going to double the consonant. When there is a vowel behind the consonant, the last letter would be doubled. Understood, children? Fierce, fiercer, the fiercest. Late, later, the latest. Old, older, oldest. Poor, poorer, the poorest. Proud, prouder, the proudest. Quiet, quieter, the quietest. Sharp, sharper, the sharpest. Short, shorter, the shortest. I have given many examples, children. I hope you have understood the concept adjectives. I'll be back with another chapter in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Namah Shivaya, children.